Hello and welcome. In this guide, I will take you through the essential steps for selling on Offerup, a popular platform that connects buyers and sellers in a convenient and user-friendly way. Whether you're looking to declutter your home, sell items for extra income, or simply engage in online selling, mastering the basics of Offerup is an excellent starting point. This video outlines the key strategies for selling successfully and creating an account on Offerup, how to post listings, communication with buyers, and important tips for successful transactions. Step 1. Creating your Offerup account. The first step to selling on Offerup is creating an account. If you are new to the platform, you can download the Offerup app from any mobile device such as the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. After installing the app, launch it and select Sign Up. You will need to provide basic information such as your email address, name, and phone number. You also have the options to sign up using your Facebook or Google account. After registering it, it is essential that you verify your identity. Offerup may request that you verify your phone number and email address. This process enhances the security of your account and the platform itself and establishes trust with potential buyers. Once you've completed these steps, you are ready to start selling. Step 2. Preparing and posting listings. Next, you will want to post items for sale. Before doing so, ensure that items are in excellent condition, clean, and well presented. A key part of selling on Offerup is creating an attractive listing. Start by taking high quality photos of the item, make sure the images are clear, well lit, and show the item from multiple angles. After capturing your photos, open the Offerup app and click on the Post button. The Offerup app will prompt you to upload the photos and provide a title, description, price, and category. Be specific in your description. For example, if you are selling a piece of furniture, include information about its dimensions, color, and material. Accurate descriptions will save time and prevent misunderstandings. Pricing is another critical aspect of your listing. Research similar items on Offerup or other platforms to gauge the market prices. Setting a fair price will attract buyers more quickly. However, be prepared to negotiate. Offerup has a messaging system that allows potential buyers to ask questions or make offers. Step 3. Engaging with buyers. Effective communication with buyers is crucial. Once your listing is live, you may start receiving inquiries. When responding to messages, remain professional and be courteous. Be prompt to answer buyer questions and disclose item and condition. If someone offers a price lower than what you are asking, consider whether the offer is reasonable before accepting it or counter-offering. Negotiation is a common part of the selling process on Offerup, so be flexible while maintaining your bottom line. In some cases, a buyer may request additional information or photos. Accommodating these requests can increase your chances of making that sale. Once a buyer agrees to your price, the next step is to arrange the transaction. So step 4, meeting for the transaction. Offerup allows sellers to choose between shipping items or arranging local meetups. For beginners, meeting buyers in person is a common option. Safety is a top priority when meeting someone in person to complete a transaction. Choose a public location such as a coffee shop, shopping center, or police station parking lot for the exchange. Offerup provides a feature known as community meetup spots, and so these are spots which are specifically designated safe locations for transactions. Tell someone you trust about the meetup and bring your phone. During the meeting, allow the buyer to inspect the item before finalizing the sale. Once both parties are satisfied, complete the transaction. Offerup encourages using cash for local transactions, although some sellers may choose to accept digital payments through apps like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, or Zelle. After the transaction is complete, Offerup allows both the buyer and seller to leave feedback for each other. Positive ratings can enhance your reputation as a reliable seller. Step 5. The best practices. To maximize your success on Offerup, follow these best practices. Be responsive. Timely responses to buyers' inquiries show professionalism and increase your chances of closing a deal. Use clear and accurate descriptions. Misleading descriptions can lead to a negative feedback and cancellations and bad reviews on your profile. Price competitively. Fair pricing attracts more buyers and reduces the time your item stays listed. And prioritize safety. Always meet in public places and avoid sharing personal information such as your home address. Build a strong profile. As you complete more sales, encourage buyers to leave reviews. A high rating will build trust and credibility with future buyers.